Okay, I was going to do a little walkthrough on this Colonial Acres house, this little contemporary style home I'm calling the architect's home, because it definitely looks like a house an architect would have built back in the 60s. And there was a 100-year-old oak tree right here in front of the front door. So the first thing I did was cut that oak tree down, trim this tree back so you can actually see the house. It's a cute little house, especially now that we've prepared all the rotten wood, cut down the trees to where you can see the house. We painted the exterior white with a gray trim, 30-year architectural shingle roof. And we'll go inside. Where you see these two windows, that was a sliding glass patio door that really made the living room kind of unusable. So as you come in the front door, you're in the living room. I'll show you how big this is too. Big vaulted ceilings. These two windows, that's where the sliding glass patio door was. So now you've got this huge open floor plan with brand new hardwood floors. I built this closet in, so you have a laundry room behind these two doors. There was no laundry room. The furnace is in this closet and the water heater is in that closet. I removed a wall that was between the breakfast area and the kitchen and completely redid the kitchen with new cabinets, countertops, tile floor, new appliances, light fixtures, new electrical panel in this house. I actually found the electrical panel under the sink. I've never seen that before. The water heater was in the far cabinet. There's a mini water heater. So now I've put in a full-size 30-gallon water heater. These floors turned out beautiful. It's a nice big open floor plan in a great community. All right, so let's go back this way. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. So a perfect little rental. First thing I look for is neighborhood, and Colonial Acres is one of my favorites. You can't really pick the floor plan after that. So here's bedroom 1. We continue the hard surface floors throughout. Super clean, blinds on all the windows. New doors, new brushed nickel hardware. New 110 outlets and light switches throughout the house. This bathroom has been completely rebuilt. The furnace was in this area with a door coming in from the hallway. So I rebuilt that. Now it has a linen closet, tile floors, nice tile shower surround, even a place to put your shampoo. All new plumbing fixtures, a brand new steel tub, new toilet, new vanity, mirror and light fixture. Super clean, super efficient. And I would call this the master bedroom. So it's a little bit larger. Hard surface floors again. As you enter this door, you're in the walk-through closet. So hanging on one side for your longer clothes, and a short rack stacked with another short rack on the other side. So tons of storage in this one. And then a nice large shower, all tile, place to put your shampoo, new fixtures. You can hear the exhaust fan running. It's a brand new shower, vanity, commode, tile floors. This is gonna make a great little rental property. It's gonna rent for $900 a month, professionally managed here in town. And it's gonna sell for $90,000. So that's meeting the 1% rule everybody asks for. But it's in a low crime, highly desirable neighborhood by homeowners. It's been fully renovated, a $37,250 renovation with 30-year architectural shingle roof, all new mechanicals. That includes your HVAC, water heater, appliances, hard surface floors throughout, upgraded hardwood throughout, and tile. that's a true value. Hitting that 1% rule, but great location, unbelievable renovation as far as everything being replaced. We rebuilt this house. So stay tuned for many more properties like this from me in the future.